Hi everybody, this is Andrew Solani with Mobility Equipment Recyclers in North Kingstown, Rhode Island. And we have in front of you today 3 portable power wheelchairs. The Pride Go Chair, the Golden Technologies LiteRider Envy, and the Pride Jazzy Carbon folding power wheelchair. Just gonna start here with the Pride Go Chair, and I wanna compare it to the Golden LiteRider Envy. They're similar in many ways, but also different. What you do to disassemble the Go Chair is you turn it off. I like to fold the seat down, and then you unplug the joystick right here. Okay, and you grab under the seat and pull it up. Then you have the battery pack, and then you have the front and the rear. The heaviest piece on this is this motor, and it weighs about 36 pounds. So it is very lightweight and manageable. Putting it back together is just as easy. This just clicks into place. It's got this little feather touch disassembly, they call it. Battery pack can be charged outside the scooter with that plug-in port right there. So that goes back into this. This goes back on the seat post. Now you have power and you're ready to go. The Golden LiteRider Envy is very, very similar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the joystick. I'm gonna look for the wire, I'm gonna unplug it. And I'm gonna fold this down. Take it off. Then you have the battery pack. Instead of lifting up like the Go Chair, you kind of slide it out like this. And then just like the Go Chair, you disassemble it by lifting up on here. This one, the heaviest piece is actually in the front frame. All very lightweight and manageable. Putting the Envy back together is a little bit more challenging than the Go Chair. What you're doing instead is you're matching up this little notch here and this little notch here in these little slots. So you're finding those notches, okay? And then you are pulling right down and clipping it in. Then you put the battery pack on. I should mention the battery pack can also be charged separate from the chair by the plug-in port right there. And then the seat. Okay. And the wire. Because of the way the seat's designed with this accessory mount here, you cannot remove the battery pack without first taking the seat off. So a little bit more cumbersome in that way. If you wanted to be able to charge your batteries quickly by removing them, a little bit easier to do on the Go Chair. So some other key differences between them is the Go Chair is, I think, more contained in a way, whereas the Envy has sort of a tubular open frame design. So it does have a higher ground clearance. It's a little bit more durable in terms of, you know, maybe the ability to go on grass and things like that. The Go Chair and the Envy are both super maneuverable in tight spaces. But I think the Envy actually is a little bit more robust with its open frame design and higher ground clearance. Now, moving to the Jazzy Carbon. This chair weighs about 39 pounds and it folds down flat, almost like a beach chair does. To fold it, you have to undo this latch, and then the chair folds flat to the ground. If you can't pick up 35 pounds, let's call it, from the ground, it's not a great option for you. It is very compact though, which is what people love about it, that you can just pick it right up and put it in the back of the car without having to deal with all the steps of putting together a Go Chair or an Envy. People love the concept of just being able to fold something and put it right in their car. But you want to make sure that you try these before you buy these, because it's an expensive purchase and it's a big decision, and you want to make sure that whichever you decide you're capable of. You can always check these chairs out at 6802 Post Road in North Kingstown, Rhode Island. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Give us a call.
2944111